friends, in today's video I have 10 hilarious Easter egg games. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Don't step on the Peep. You'll need a garbage bag, blindfold, peeps, and your bare feet for this game. This game is best played outdoors. The object of the game is to get across the sea of peeps without stepping on one. If you step on one with your bare foot, yes, it does feel disgusting and you'll need to wash your foot afterwards. Eggy Scoop. Every player will need jelly beans, one plastic egg, and a bowl. Scoop the jelly beans with your open plastic egg and fill your container first to win, or the most jelly beans in the container after 1 minute wins the game. Pass it. This game is great for groups. Divide your group into at least 2 teams. Pass a balloon down the line of upside down plastic cups. First team to accomplish this wins the game. If the balloon falls off of someone's cup, then the balloon has to start at the beginning of the team line. Eggy Pole. You'll need a lot of cut up paper towel rolls into thirds and plastic Easter eggs to play this game. Set a timer for 1 minute and see who can create the tallest tower of eggs and tubes. Don't step on the egg. This game is best played outside if you use raw eggs, or it can be played indoors or outdoors if you use plastic eggs. Blindfold players. The object of the game is to walk from the start to finish without stepping on an egg. If you step on an egg, you are out. Peeps Roulette. You'll need 1 Lazy Susan, a variety of peeps, and 1 blindfold per player to play this game. Blindfold all players, spin the Lazy Susan, and everybody reaches for a peep. Whichever peep your hand touches first, that is the peep that you must take a bite of. Have your players guess the flavor of the peep, or place a weird tasting one in there, and it will just be a surprise if someone gets it. I had 2 weird tasting ones in this mix. There was a fruit punch version, and there was a hot tamale. Balloon egg drop. This is a great group game to play outdoors. You can play as teams or face off player versus player. The team with the most balloons in their laundry basket wins the game, but the catch is you have to carry the balloon between your knees. If the balloon touches the ground, that player starts over at the start line. Bunny toss for littles. You could use napkins or paper plates to play this game, but you'll need those cute little stuffed animal peeps or just any sort of stuffed animal. The object of the game is to land the peep on all 3 of the napkins or paper plates. Pass the egg. This game is great for groups. Use real eggs to make this game more fun, or a hard-boiled egg. Pass the egg down your group to win the game. Of course, the catch is the egg must pass from cup to cup. If it falls on the game, the egg must start at the beginning or your team loses. Traditional egg and spoon race. They sell these little egg and spoon kits everywhere. I will link one in the description box down below. This game is great for all ages. Have a race, create a start line and a finish line, and if your egg falls off of your spoon, you are out of the race. My name is Shawn. Happy Easter. I will see you in my next video. Bye.